Introduction to WordPress development. What is WordPress? WordPress can be defined as an open-source CMS that has been licensed under GPL v2. It means anyone has the right to use as well as modify the WordPress software for free. Features of WordPress: creating a dynamic website without any programming and design knowledge. Options for various free and premium themes. Creating a dynamic website without any programming and design knowledge. Plugins extend the functionality of WordPress, which can be used to add new required modules. WordPress sites are search engine optimization, SEO, friendly. WordPress is multilingual, which allows users to translate content in their language. Advantages of WordPress. WordPress is free and an open-source platform under the GNU General Public License, GPL. Design themes customization in WordPress is straightforward. It allows you to manage users with different roles and permissions. WordPress media management is quick and easy to use. WordPress provides WYSIWYG editor to manage your text content, which is very useful for manipulating the layout of the document. Types of WordPress. The two ways through which WordPress allows you to host a site is by WordPresscom and WordPress.org. The primary thing which varies with these two approaches is the real host. By making use of WordPress.org, you might download the script free of charge and host it on a local machine or in any server. But, in case of WordPress.com, it takes care of every aspect, right from hosting the site for you to providing features for managing the content. You don't have to organize a web server or pay for hosting or even download any application, but yes, ads will be shown on your site. WordPress.com requires you to sign up for an account or creating a website or blog. Get basic website functionalities for free and need to pay to upgrade for professional site development. No plugin upload allowed. Free plans will be a subdomain of WordPress. WordPress.org. It requires a separate web hosting account to run a WordPress site. It helps in creating a website for free and is an open source for further modification. You can upload your plugins to extend the functionality. Here, you can use your custom URL.